Property Owner Files, Season 9, Episode 8. When successors make different decisions, is being a landlord really worth it? You build the systems. You choose the people. You step back carefully. And then it happens. A decision gets made that you wouldn't have made. Today's file is about what that means and how to handle it. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. When successors make different decisions, you prepared for the transition. You built the systems. You explained the reasoning. You chose someone aligned. And still, they make a different decision. Not wrong, not reckless, just different. And that creates tension, because stepping back doesn't remove your perspective. Today's file is about what to do in that moment, because how you respond determines whether what you built evolves or gets constrained. Stay until the end, because the final shift is what allows continuity without conflict. And if this helps you think more clearly about ownership and life, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Different doesn't mean wrong. The first reaction is internal. I wouldn't have done that. That's natural. But different decisions aren't automatically mistakes. They're variations based on different experience, different judgment, different interpretation of the system, and variation is part of transition. Still watching? This is where control becomes a problem. Part 2. Holding on too tight creates friction. If every decision has to match yours exactly, you haven't really stepped back. You've extended control, and that creates hesitation, second-guessing, dependency, reduced confidence, because the successor isn't operating freely. They're operating under pressure. Still watching? This is where clarity matters. Part 3. Core principles versus flexible decisions. Not everything needs to be identical. Some things must remain consistent. Others can adapt. The key is knowing the difference. Core principles, standards, ethics, system integrity, flexible decisions, timing, approach, communication style. When you separate these, you allow variation without losing structure. Still watching? This next part is emotional. Part 4. The discomfort of letting decisions change. Letting someone else decide differently feels like risk, because you've seen what can go wrong. You've made the mistakes. You've learned the hard lessons. So when decisions shift, it feels like those lessons are being ignored. But often, they're not. They're being applied differently. Still watching? This leads to the final shift. Part 5. Evolution is part of continuity. If nothing changes, nothing evolves. And if everything must stay exactly the same, the system becomes rigid. True continuity isn't replication. It's stability with adaptation. Because the goal isn't to preserve your exact decisions, it's to preserve what made them work. This is what experienced owners understand. You don't pass ownership forward to create a copy of yourself. You pass it forward so it can continue without needing you. Not every decision will match yours, and that's part of the process. In the next file, we explore what it means to fully let go and allow what you built to become something else. This is Property Owner Files.